classic German potato salad recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Germany. Welcome into our channel, where we're going to indulge in the rich flavors of Germany. Today, we're excited to share with you the secrets of making an authentic German potato salad. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Germany. To create this mouthwatering German potato salad, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 2 pounds, about 1 kilogram, potatoes, preferably waxy variety, 6 slices of bacon, chopped, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt to taste, ground black pepper to taste, fresh chives, chopped. For garnish. Now, let's experience the flavors of Germany. Step 1. Begin by washing and peeling the potatoes. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are all similar in size for even cooking. Step 2. In a large pot, bring salted water to a boil and add the cut potatoes. Cook them until tender but not mushy, usually about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. While the potatoes are cooking, let's prepare the bacon. In a separate pan, fry the chopped bacon until it becomes crispy and golden. Step 4. Add the finely chopped onion to the pan with the bacon. Sauté them together until the onion becomes translucent and fragrant. Step 5. In a bowl, whisk together the apple cider vinegar, water, granulated sugar, Dijon mustard, salt, and ground black pepper to create the tangy dressing for the German potato salad. Step 6. Once the potatoes are tender, drain them and add them to the pan with the bacon and onions. Gently toss everything together to combine. Step 7. Pour the tangy dressing over the potato mixture and toss everything together, ensuring the potatoes are evenly coated with the flavorful dressing. Step 8. For a touch of freshness and color, garnish the German potato salad with a sprinkle of chopped fresh chives. And there you have it, German potato salad. A hearty and flavorful dish that represents the authentic tastes of Germany. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey to Germany. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic German potato salad. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time. Guten Appetit and happy cooking!